Good day. How you doing? It's Romeo the Professor. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like it. Please ring the bell. Let's do that. So today we will talk about the basics. Setting up an account. Let's just say you would like to buy cryptocurrency. To be specific, let's say Bitcoin. So there are several exchanges, so many different exchanges, but I want to keep it very basic. So the first exchange we have Coinbase, and then we have another exchange which is called Binance US. Make sure it's Binance.us, okay? Because we have a specific exchange for us. So let's go with Coinbase. You will want to set up the both exchanges, and I'll tell you the reason why. So let's start with Coinbase. I'm not going to go to get started. See, Coinbase shows you all of the cryptocurrency that it currently allows you to buy. Now remember, we're investing in cryptocurrency. We're not trading it. I'm not teaching you how to trade. I'm teaching you how to invest in it first. How to buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, buy Litecoin. I'm teaching you, showing you how to do that. So if we go and we click products, we click coin, prices. Now, tradable. Tradable is all of the coins Coinbase allow you to trade. I mean, well, we're going to buy, we're not going to trade it, okay? So we see Bitcoin here, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcash, Chainlink, Stellar Lumens, EOS, Uniswap, AV, Tezos. You don't have to know all of these different coins. That's not important now. Only thing you need to know is the top three coins. The top three coins that should always be in someone's portfolio. Bitcoin, number one, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Okay? So to get started, you would just click here and you would start entering your information. I will have a link below where you click on my link and I'll get credit for referring you to Coinbase. So I have that link below. So now let's go to Binance US. Okay. Now here at Binance US, as you can see, this is Binance US. Okay. Now, Binance US, as you can see, it has buy crypto and trade crypto. Let me show you how trade crypto looks. You don't want to trade crypto because I'm not training you and developing you so that you can know how to do that. Okay. So that's how it looks. Let's just say if you wanted to trade Bitcoin, we click on it and it looks like this. Weird. Okay. And then you would put something here, put something. I'm not teaching you that. Right now, you just want to know how to invest. Simply buy. Okay, so you will set up both of these accounts. So you would get started here too. So let me show you something. For instance, see here, we have, let me choose one, not Solo, let me choose Cardano. Let me search ADA. ADA. Okay, see Cardano here? We can buy Cardano. Okay, let's just say we want to buy for $100. It's going to tell me set up the account, which I haven't set up, okay? But, so we see buy Cardano, ADA. I'm giving an example. Coinbase doesn't have Cardano. So if I put ADA, it'll search for it. Right here, but it doesn't say trade. So I cannot trade it. The ones that you can trade will have trade beside it. So I cannot trade it. You see? When I click on assets to trade, it's not moving. Hold on. Trade of all assets. 1 second. I got clear. Sorry. Well, do Coinbase. and do Binance.us. Those are the two to set up because some coins, majority of the coins will be on Binance. That's not on Coinbase. All right. Now, let's start talking about the states. In Binance, several states cannot enroll in Binance USA. Connecticut, Hawaii, Idaho, Louisiana, New York, Texas, Vermont, Washington. At the current time now, you cannot enroll in Binance. Okay? Now, so let's talk about Floridians. This is what you would have to do. So let's just say you would like to enroll in Binance USA. First thing first, got to create an account. Okay? It walks you step by step to create an account if you get stuck. Click here, verify email. Now you will have to connect your bank account eventually. So what you will need is a bank statement with your address on it, or your driver's license as identification. So you can have all these bank statements, credit card statements, utility bill, properties tax statements. So those are the two things you need so that you can do your proof of address. And then once they verify that, then you'll be able to deposit money. This deposit money in Binance USA takes a long time to verify so that they can set you up. So you'll be able to make your first deposit either through ACH or link your banking, routing, and accounting number. Now, with Binance.us, it takes a long time for this process. It takes about 10 days to get approved. Okay, so let's go to Coinbase. So Coinbase, you will click here, top left-hand side, get started, and then you would fill out all the information. And remember, I'm going to give you a link so you can fill out all the information. And then on Binance US, you would click get started and you would do the same thing. So connect with both of these accounts. And to create the accounts, they're free to create the account. So you'll create the account. Now, if you want to move one step further, once you create the account, then I would say on Coinbase alone, if you have, let's just say, for some reason it's not moving. Let's just say Coinbase alone, if you have, they won't let me. Coinbase alone, if you have like $300 or $100, I would buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I would put $50 in Bitcoin, 25 in Ethereum, and then 25 in Litecoin. Those are the three coins. Okay. So I would do that for now, but you can create the accounts free. All right. So we have Coinbase and we have Binance.us. I will have the links below. I am Romeo the Professor. Remember, subscribe, like, and share the video if you can, and ring the bell. Thank you.